Ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look. I'm going to take a look at the sterling yen. It's rising once again and held some key support. So let's talk about it just so you're aware and prepared for perhaps the next move. Let's get started. Looking at the daily chart, lots of green bars here as the market continues to trend to the upside. This comes after the election, which saw the shift from the Conservative Party to the Liberal Labour Party, and that has not deterred the upside here as the market cheers on a change in the UK. Technically, the bias remains very bullish here on the daily chart. If we ever go to a monthly chart, we can see where the price action has taken us here more recently in this currency pair. And you have to go all the way back to this period right through here. This is August of 2008, so the highest level since August of 2008, and it looks like we have a string of about 7 months or so of straight moves to the upside here for this sterling yen pair. So that's a longer term view, but the one I want to focus on more closely here today, because it outlines the risk or the bias defining level for this currency pair, is off the hourly chart. And we take a look at the hourly chart. What do we see? Well, looking at the 100-hour moving average right here, and trading here today, the market tested at session lows of correcting off of the highs that we saw 2 days ago, found support against the 100-hour moving average, not once, not twice, but at least 3 times there. Back here on this day, the price did move below those levels, but it was quickly reversed. Right here, we did find support against that level right through here. So there's a history of the market sort of paying attention to the 100-hour moving average. I'm not surprised. Even back here when the market broke the 100-hour moving average, what did we do? We found support against a 200-hour moving average, like as we did right through here. So these moving averages do give traders a look at what the risks are, what the bias what biases are for this currency pair, and with the bias, with the price bouncing off of that 100-hour moving average on 3 separate times today, the bias is obviously to the upside. That's good. We know that the buyers are in control. What it also says is that that it will take a move below this moving average to even give the sellers some hope. Absent that, and this trend continues in the sterling versus US dollar. So just making you aware of this technical pattern that we're seeing in this currency pair. It's got its, the bulls are fully in control above the 100-hour moving average. It might even be that as long as the price remains above the 200-hour moving average, those bulls are still more in control. So be aware, be prepared. My name is Greg McCloskey with the technical list at the sterling versus yen for ForexLive.com. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.